Welcome to Xchange Basics. In this video, I will show you how you make your project a success. After setting up your project and getting acquainted to our Navigator, operations are the path that leads you from where you are now to reaching your goals. It's like when you scale a mountain. You see the summit, still you need to take one step after the other to get there. After talking about how you derive a process from your big picture, let's talk about how to make your goals operational. You might ask yourself, why document our project? There are plenty of answers to that. You do need a business plan to align your strategy with your actual daily work. And you might need to present the business plan to investors or collaborators in due diligence. You might not be able to do everything by yourself, and you're not supposed to, so you might need support, and you need to know where you can use this help the best way. The support can be mentorship, services, network connections, or financial investment. Let me guide you step by step through operating your project. First, choose a step to start, then adapt it to your needs, organize your goals, and document your progress. When zooming into a category or accessing it in the Navigator, you find 4 sub-steps per category. Activating a step opens up a card that gives you an overview about the step and where it's located in the Navigator. In this example, we have maturity stage 1 of the category customer definition in the dimension strategy. You can adopt the name of this step according to your project. These steps in Xchange we call objectives, based on the Google methodology of objectives and key results, or OKRs. OKRs are what makes their development team so effective. Our objective cards are your key to success. Add a description to know exactly what your objective is about. If you do not know how to achieve the objective on your own, you can ask for help in the Xchange community in exchange for virtual shares. In this case, the description is the service agreement that you have with your collaborator. Add a timeline that is a starting and an end point to the objective. If you have a certain time to finish your objective, you will also do so. This increases commitment not only of your collaborators, but also for yourself. While working on the objectives, you add the results of your work to the objective card. This has the advantage of documenting your progress for investors and collaborators. In case of a collaboration objective, the results are the deliverables that your collaborator sends to you. There are plenty of objectives that you need to do to make your project a success. It might seem like navigating a maze with objectives piling up. Our Navigator will help you to structure these objectives in a process that guides you through your project from start to end. And you're not alone in this. Whenever you need help, ask the community, ask your mentors to support you. There's no need for cash. Pair them with Xchange virtual shares. And this is how it looks like in the software. Going to our freshly started project, the Navigator shows us the suggested next steps. We can also see all objectives in our process. But let's go back for now to the suggested steps. You see that there's only one category labeled bold and black, while all the others are grayed out. Let's open this first category and add the objective with maturity stage 1. We open the objective card, add a description, disregard the value for now. Let's add a deadline to increase our commitment and save. This objective is now added to our process and labeled as active. When we increase the process over 80%, the objective is labeled as done. We should also be setting our satisfaction to evaluate our work. In the dashboard, we now see that one objective is added, this objective is finished, its maturity stage is 1, and the quality we set to top. Now let's see how that looks in our further developed project. 81 steps have been activated. You've seen the progress in the Navigator? And the map of this project looks like this. We can organize this map according to our wishes and see which fields we have been focusing on most and where we still have gaps to work on. Maybe we need some help with these gaps. So let's get ready to exchange.